Here we go with more Google, Yahoo, YouTube nonsense. I went to subscribe again to U.S. Navy Research on YouTube, as they had unsubscribed me. And before I could resubscribe, Google said I had to sign in with Google again. So fine. I signed in with Google, then they let me subscribe again to U.S. Navy Research. Fine. Later, I try and set up a subscription for Agenda 21 Radio, and Google pops up again and asks for my password, but this time it would not accept my password. It kept saying it was incorrect, even though it had taken my password just hours earlier. So I couldn't get into Agenda 21 Radio. Just now, what was I trying to do? Oh yes, I didn't get my live stream notices, so I thought, okay, well maybe it's the email that's not forwarding my notifications from YouTube. So I go to my account information on my emails, and this is the notice I get. Dear valued customer. So I can't get into my account information on email because it said the security of your Frontier email account powered by Yahoo is important to us. Out of an abundance of caution, we are asking you to change your password. We are committed to protecting the security of our users' information, and we take measures like this when appropriate to, in light of reported security issues or suspicious activity on an account. To change your password, please call. What I wonder is the reported security issues or suspicious activity. Well, this is just Yahoo, Google, and YouTube playing their stupid games. I'm just documenting it. Have a good day. This is October 24th, 2019. And no, actually it's the 25th. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. It's been a long evening of fun tech problems. Thanks a lot. You guys have a good night. Bye-bye.